In today's video, guys, we're here to talk about full body workout. Right here, I'm doing tricep dips. I'm taking my time. I'm not locking my elbows, as you can see. And you do 3 to 4 sets of 12. You take your time. I could have moved my arms back a little bit tighter to my body, but this is a good form. You can tell because you can see the muscles coming out of my arms. Ropes seated row. Say that 3 times fast. Cable rope seated row, which is great for your back. I usually use this to try to tone my back rolls. You know, by your bra fat. Nobody wants that. So I use this to tone my back. It obviously hurts because you can see it in my damn face. But yeah, you do 3 to 4 sets of 12. And trust me, sis, you're going to feel a burn. Burn, baby, burn. Remember to sit up straight, pull it straight back, and have your feet flat on the, see how my feet is flat down on the grips? Yep, that's how you do it. Now we're going into my favorite, leg press. Leg press is great for your quadriceps, hamstring, gluteus maximus. I'm going nice and slow so you can see the difference of when the camera circles around me. Yeah, I got long skinny legs. Don't come for me in my hot waters. Anyway, you can see the difference in how I'm doing it. I have my legs separated apart firmly. I have my feet flat, and I am pushing directly straight up. You do about 3 to 4 sets of 12 with this one as well. And do the weight that you can handle. Don't try to be Hercules and hurt yourself. I think I was doing like 100 and something. I have stronger legs than I have arms, but I'm working on getting stronger arms as well. And I like these sneakers that I have on also because these sneakers are very flat. It's like doing a squat but sitting down. And I don't like squats because squats can hurt your back and you can do the wrong form real quick with a squat. So that's why I love this machine, because it always give me them thick thighs. Thick thighs save lives. Take your time. Get real serious real quick. The lower you go, the better it is. You can adjust this machine to go as low as you need it to. I'm very tall, so I'm like 5'7", 5'6", 5'7", 5'6.5", but whatever. That don't matter. Yes, you use this and just keep your legs even and flat. And do not lock your knees. Do not lock your knees. You see how I'm gently like stopping like right there? Well, I'll probably lock a little bit there, but don't lock your knees because you can hurt yourself real quick, and we need to be safe when we're doing this machine. This one, sis. PROWLER SLED push. Full body strength and fat loss. Okay, so first off, my legs are not spread wide enough because I was struggling to push this, and I got 245s on there. Mind you, I'm getting back in the gym. I'm working on it. So keep your feet wide apart. In the next clip, you're gonna see me doing it better. Right here, I'm struggling, but in this clip, I am doing it much better, baby. Push, 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 push. Because you gotta motivate yourself. Make sure you got good foot stance and a good grip, because it can get hard real quick. And make sure your body's aligned with. So this last exercise is called a bicep wave, and these are battle ropes. These things are super heavy, and it's gonna work your arms out like crazy. Do this like 3 to 4 times for 30-second bursts, and try to get down lower than I am. I'm doing it right, but I'm not as low as I should be. End of this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Way more videos to come. Mwah.